Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing Roblox video! If you played Dress to Impress and want to unlock awesome outfits, stylish accessories, and exclusive fashion items completely free, then today's video is exactly for you. Because in this video, I'm going to share a huge list of the newest and fully working Dress to Impress codes for the latest Summer Brazil Update 2026. These brand new codes can help you get free rewards, special dresses, trendy accessories, stylish makeup items, and many other exciting in-game cosmetics without spending any Robux. The new Summer Brazil update has introduced a lot of fresh content into the game, including beautiful Brazil-themed outfits, unique fashion styles, colorful accessories, exciting summer cosmetics, and limited-time items that players are really excited about right now. And the best part is that some of these rewards can be unlocked completely free by redeeming the latest working codes. I have collected all the newest active codes that are currently working after the latest update. So make sure you watch this video until the very end, because you do not want to miss any secret rewards or exclusive free items. Some codes may expire very soon, so it's important to redeem them as quickly as possible before they stop working. Also, if any new bonus codes are released during the update event, I'll try to include them in this video as well. So be sure to stay active, keep checking the comments section, and watch carefully so you can claim every free reward available right now. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future Roblox code videos, update leaks, free item events, and new working rewards. VIP giveaway! I'm also giving away VIP access to 10 lucky subscribers. If you want a chance to win, simply comment your Roblox username below. VIP gives you exclusive clothing, special hairstyles, unique makeup options, and access to a private VIP dressing room. Now let's get started and check out all the latest Dress to Impress Summer Brazil Update 2026 codes.